In the modern marketplace, social media accounts can be one of the strongest marketing tools available to small business owners. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube are all examples of these media platforms. Today I'll be creating a Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon page for my new business, Empowered by Choice Telehealth Counseling of Idaho. It is important to maintain consistent branding across all media platforms. This really provides the client or customer base with a familiar business look, so it doesn't seem like there's a different business for each website platform you're using. So I use the same profile picture, the same banner, the same channel art. If I can do the same fonts, that's even better, but if not, fonts can vary a little bit. For my business personally, I'll be using the YouTube channel as a marketing tool as well as a potential passive income source for the future, providing clients and counselors with resources that are really helpful. I'll include affiliate links into all of my videos just so I can get a little extra commission based on sales. And with the Patreon, it'll be a nice source for viewers and subscribers to provide some monthly contributions to something they believe in and find benefit from. And with all the social media accounts created for my new business, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.